A controversy started in Ichhawar town of Sihor district in Madhya Pradesh after a film shooting team allegedly cooked non-vegetarian food inside a temple campus. The team had come to shoot a web series called Forge and had been staying in the temple complex for the last 3 days. The complex also has a Hanuman temple. On Monday, members of Bajrang Dal received information that eggs and meats were being served to the shooting team inside the campus. Soon after, several workers reached the spot and protested against the act. They said cooking meat in a temple area hurt religious sentiments. The situation created tension for some time, and local people demanded strict action and respect for religious places. The Madhya Pradesh cabinet meeting was held on Tuesday at the state secretariat under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. During the meeting, the cabinet approved about Rs 33,240 crore for continuing several important welfare schemes over the next 5 years. These schemes belong to 7 different government departments and aims to support development and public welfare in the state. The cabinet also approved the Chief Minister Young Intern for Good Governance program, which will allow young people to work with the government and learn about administration. In another decision, 7 new posts including a junior civil judge were approved for Chitrangi in Singrauli district. The cabinet also approved opening 3 employees state insurance corporation dispensaries in Mehar, Kaimur in Katni district and Nirmani in Khargoon district, along with creating 51 posts for doctors and paramedical staff. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan strongly criticized the West Bengal government during question hour in the Lok Sabha on Tuesday. He said the state government led by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee cares more about politics than the welfare of farmers. Chauhan said that while the opposition keeps protesting in parliament, the world is praising India's agricultural policies. He also alleged that important schemes like Prime Minister Krishi Dhan Dhanya Yojana were not implemented in West Bengal only because the name of Prime Minister is attached to them. According to him, this decision is unfair to farmers and harms their interest. He called it an injustice and said the central government will continue working to improve the lives of farmers across the country. The issue of the toxic cough syrup tragedy in Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh was raised again in the Rajya Sabha. In this tragic incident, more than 35 children reportedly died after consuming a poisonous cough syrup. Congress Rajya Sabha MP Vivek Tankha raised the matter in Parliament and questioned the central government about the safety and quality of medicines in the country. He demanded strict action and stronger monitoring of pharmaceutical products. In response, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare presented a detailed report on the cough syrup controversy and explained the steps taken to ensure drug safety across India. The ministry also talked about the role of the food and drug safety authorities and measures to prevent such incidents in the future. Passengers from Madhya Pradesh, especially Indore, who are stuck in the UAE, have received another setback. The Air India Express flight operating between Sharjah and Indore has been cancelled again and will now remain suspended until March 22nd. The flight has already been cancelled since February 28th due to the ongoing conflict involving the United States, Israel and Iran in the Middle East. The airlines has also removed this flight route from its official website for the time being. Because of the cancellation, many passengers will now have to travel to other Indian cities first and then reach Indore by connecting flights or train. This situation has created difficulties for many travelers who were waiting to return home. Madhya Pradesh Congress President Jitu Patwari made serious allegation during a farmers and workers meeting held in Sukhakhedi village in Gadarwara area of Narsinghpur district on Tuesday. The event was called a Kisan Mazdoor Mahachaupal and was attended by many party workers and farmers. Patwari criticized both the central and state government over farmer issues. He also alleged that containers transporting fly ash from the NTPC plant in Gadarwara are being used for illegal activities such as drug smuggling. During his interaction with journalists, he raised questions about local representatives and claimed that 80-year-old MLA in the area faces accusation of running gambling activities. Patwari said corruption and illegal activities are harming the region and demanded strict investigation and action. The Madhya Pradesh Congress has strongly reacted after the election of Vijaypur MLA Mukesh Malhotra was declared void by the High Court. The State Congress President Jeetu Patwari and Leader of Opposition Umang Singhar criticized the BJP government and said the party will challenge the decision in the Supreme Court. Patwari said the Congress respects the judiciary but believes justice will be achieved in the Supreme Court. He also accused the BJP of putting pressure to influence the decision because it could not accept that a tribal leader had won the election and reached the assembly. Patwari also referred to another case related to MLA Nirmala Sapre and challenged the BJP to show the same courage in getting a decision in that matters well. Madhya Pradesh is facing very hot weather as summer arrives early in the state. In many cities including Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur, the temperature is rising quickly. During the daytime, temperatures are reaching around 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. The meteorological department says the heat may increase further in the coming days. The strong sunshine and dry winds are making afternoons very uncomfortable. Doctors have advised people to avoid going out in the afternoon and drink plenty of water to stay safe and dehydration. Nights are still slightly cooler, but the heat during the day is expected to continue across most parts of the state this week.